Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to the Global Mixing Page channel where we make content about making money online as a career person. In today's video, I'm gonna be actually showing you how to work with the layers on Zazzle, like especially if you're creating a product or you're designing a product that has more than one layers. I mean that has a front and the back side, like the signs, or that has the two different layers like the earrings and all those products in which you need to use the layer feature on the Zazzle designer tool. So I'm going to be showing you how to do in a second on my laptop the exact procedure on how to create the layers and how to actually design the products which are having the layers, which are having more than one size, front and back, or maybe more than that, or maybe like an earrings. So I'm going to show you the exact method in a laptop. So let's begin with today's tutorial. Before we go, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. We upload video every single week. Whenever we will going to do so, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, we have a lot of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. You can grab the Zazzle workbook. It's a complete step-by-step guide on getting started with the Zazzle by opening up your shop, uploading the products, scaling, sharing, and making money from Zazzle as being a Zazzle designer. Is in the description box below. If you're really looking forward to making money online from Zazzle, because that's entirely based on my own experience and knowledge so far, being a Zazzle Pro seller. Now I'm going to be turning bronze soon, so it's entirely based on my experience. The link is in the description box below. It will show you the exact steps that I practically use for making my own Zazzle shop and becoming a Zazzle Pro seller. Make sure you grab it out. The link is in the description box below. You can support my channel on the Patreon, getting early access to my YouTube videos and exclusive voting rights to the Patreon, a keyword list, and niche ideas. A lot more is there on the Patreon. Make sure you check it out, and it would be really grateful. I would be really grateful if you support me. The link is in the description box below. Anyway, guys, let's dive onto a laptop and begin with this today's tutorial. Guys, currently we are on the Zazzle. You can see the Zazzle homepage. Now I'm gonna be going and showing you the three different products. We are going to look at the sign, earrings, and some other product as well. So you can sign in into your Zazzle account, but I'm not gonna be signing in. So I'm gonna go over to the option the sell. This option, I'm gonna go over to the start selling today option. You can go either. I'm gonna go over to the option the view all. Guys, you're gonna see this kind of page appear up. And if you don't know how to get it, just click over to your store section, and when you go over to the product section, you're gonna get an option create new product, and when you're going to click over to create new product, something like this will going to appear up. Select three different products. The fun one would be the yard sign because it has back and front both. Another one I will be selecting in earrings because earrings have both the sides, like the first pair and the second pair, like both the sides they have. And also I'm going to be selecting an ornament. So I'll just gonna go and quickly select these products, and then we will going to take a look at that, how to actually design them. So here I am with the first product, guys, that is the ornaments. Now the ornaments have the front and back side both. Let me just refresh it. Okay, so the ornaments have both the side, the front and the back side. You could see the front and the back, and we need to work in that way. So I'm just going to go over to the option that is the add image, and it will going to quickly go over to the option that is the Zazzle designer tool. So you're gonna see this designer tool. So here you have the option that is called as the layers on the left hand side of the panel. You're gonna see the front side and you're gonna see the back side. So I'm just gonna show you the simple method to design the front and the back side. Of course, you can add a lot of the graphics, cool illustration, photographs, a lot of the text on the front and the back side depending on how you want to do. But this is just for the sake of the tutorial. I'm gonna just take it a very simple and easy. So that first we will going to go over to the option that is a front side. Okay, this is and then I'm gonna go over to the option add text, and I'm gonna be adding some text. So I'm gonna be writing the name. Okay, I mean you can choose whatever you want to do, and that's what is coming in my mind. So I'm gonna be designing the front side. This is the front side of the ornament. I mean you can increase the size, you can decrease the size, you can add the different fonts, and you can do a lot of the stuff over here with designing the front and the back side. I want to keep it simple. I think the 50 size is better. Okay, so I want to keep it simple, so that's why I'm just gonna taking a simple name. You can add a lot of the stuff. So that is the front side of the ornament. So similarly, you can go and the layer option, and you can go over to the back side of the option. I mean back side of the product, and then you can add another text over here, the same that you have uploaded on the front side or other thing which you want to add. And here we are. So we have actually designed the front and the back side of the ornament. So this is the way in which you can actually design the ornaments or the products which have the multiple different layers, multiple different sides, and then you can click over to the done option, and once you're done with that, you can sell it. And here we go, you can see the front side and you can see the back side, and you can sell it. So that is the first product. Let's take a look at the second product that I have for you. The second product I took is the yard sign, the front and the back side of the yard sign. So we will going to go over to the option add image. And similarly, you can upload the files from your computer. You can sign in. I haven't signed into my Zazzle account, so that's why I'm not able to see my files that I've actually uploaded from my computer. But anyways, this is the tutorial, so I'm not gonna sign in. So you're gonna see over the layer option, the front side of the yard sign and the back side of the yard sign. The front side, you can add anything. You can add a background, textures, patterns, or pictures or graphics, whatever you want to add. I'm just gonna add some text, so I'm gonna write maybe a business. So I'm gonna write a business name. That's it over here, because we are creating a sign for business name, and people can add their business name and can add a lot of the text over here. This is a very simplified form. This is the front side of the yard guide, and I'm gonna go over to the back side of the yard sign, and I'm gonna be adding some other text over here. Maybe write add your phone number, or maybe or something like that. The purpose behind this tutorial is to show you that you have both the side, the front and the back side. Like this is the front side of the yard sign, and this is the back side of front and back side of the yard sign both. And once we are done with that, just click over to the done. And here we are. That's the front side of the yard sign, and this is the back side of the yard sign, and you can very well sell it. So that is the second product in which you can work with the layers for. Let's take a look at the third product that we have for this particular tutorial, work supplies. Here we are taking an example of the drop earrings, because you see that there are the two things that you have to actually, or two sides that you have to actually manage when you're making an earrings. So I'm gonna quickly go over to the option, the add image, or you can go over to the add text as well if you're adding a text. Now this particular earrings I'm gonna do a little bit different, because I'm gonna show a little bit more different. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a text first of all, and I'm gonna just write a name of the person. I mean, you can write whatever you write. I'm gonna write Jenny. Here we go, we have added on the first layer. Okay, the first earrings you can see over here. And then I'm gonna actually add some of the elements. So I'm gonna go over to the element section. Maybe I'm gonna add a circle. Okay, here we are with the circle. Just okay. Just arrange it over here, and maybe you can change the color of your circle, or you can do whatever you wanna do it. I mean, you can just play around with it. This is, I'm going to take it as a black. I'm going to increase the size of this one. Now the 14 is a way bigger size, so I'm going to probably go with the 8. Let's see. Actually design on the right side of the thing. You have to go over to the option that's the left side, the layers. You see the left side of the earrings and the right side of the earrings. Design the left side of the earrings, right? It makes a lot of sense. We have designed the left side of the earrings. Now you can go over to the right side of the earrings. This is the right side of the earrings, and you can design it. You can similarly write the name Jenny, because we are designing an earring, so probably we want the left and right side to look same or similar. And I'm going to be bringing another circle over here, the same circle which I bought there. I'm going to decrease its size. Okay, I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to change its color, fill color to green. Okay, so we have designed the left and the right side of the earrings. Okay, this is the thing. We just have to go with the option, the layers of the Zazzle designer tool, to design that. Whatever product you're designing, whether it's an ornament, whether it's a yard sign, whether it's a pillow cover, or whether it's earrings, whatever design, whatever product you're designing, just go over to the option, the layers on the left hand tool or left hand side of the designer tool, and you're gonna see all the layers or all the sides of that particular product, whether it's left and right, upper or lower, front or back, whatever it is called. You're gonna see all the layers, and then you can actually click on individual layers and you can design it. Like I have designed on the left hand side this one, and this is on the right hand side. Like you can design the way you want to. This is just in a small example. I've just added a little bit of the text and this circle element. You can add the graphics, textures, patterns, illustrations. Go to the option on the left hand side, the layers, and you need to work on the left and right layers. Once you're done with that, click over to the done option. And now you see we have designed both the sides, and then you can quickly go over to the option sell it, and you can probably sell it. This is the way you can actually work on the layers on Zazzle. It's simple, guys. You just need to go over to the option, the layers, whatever product you're designing, just go over to the option as the layers. Like if I go over to the added design for the yard sign, I have to see the layers option on the left hand side, and once I see that, you're gonna see the front side and the back side. Because it's the yard sign, you're gonna see the front and back. For some of the different products, they have the upper and the lower. For some others, they have the left and right or something like that. You have to see the what the sides look like or what the sides are called. And then you can add all the text of the front and the back and all the images on all the textures of the front and the back by choosing the different layers. Like I have a layer on the front and side, that's the front side here, and I have chosen the back side, and this is that. I've just simply added a small text to this. You can add a lot of the stuff, but this is the way to actually design your front and back side and to work on the layers. On Zazzle, I have took the example of the 3 different products: the ornaments, the yard signs, and the drop earrings. If you're working with some other products like the pillows or round pillows, they may be having more than one layers. Like for example, if you're working on a paper cup do have more than one layers. If you're working on a cap, the birthday hat or something like that, it has more than one layers. So you're gonna see all the layers of the product over here. If you're working on the bunting flags, you're gonna see more than 2 layers. I think they are having kind of like a 10 or 12 sides or 12 layers, which I don't really remember, but you're gonna see all the sides or all the layers of the product in the layer section. And then you can quickly go over to the option front or the back or right and left or up and down, whatever it is. You can click on that and you can individually design every layer of that particular product or every side of that particular product, and then you can very well go and quick over to the option the done, and then you can sell it. This is the way to work over the layers or to design the layers. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful and enjoyable. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, guys. Working with the layers, working in the different sides of the product, let me know what you think. If you are facing any kind of difficulty while creating any kind of product, let me know in the comment section below, guys. Because of course in the beginning, when you are completely a newbie, it will definitely going to take some time. Be okay with the Zazzle designer tool, how to use it, how to create the products, how to design it. It's a little bit tricky in the beginning, but once you understand how you have to work, then you can easily create multiple different layers, multiple different products, and in a beautiful way. So this is just a small simple example that I have taken in this particular tutorial, designing 3 different products, because I got a lot of the comments. I got one of the comment for the yard sign, another comment I got from the earrings. Like the people were asking me how to design a earrings, how to design a yard sign. So I get that you're finding a difficulty in actually working with the different sides and different layers. So this is the way you can work on the layers for your product and you can design them. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Let me know what you think. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Are you selling a Zazzle? What's your experience with a Zazzle? Let me know your own problems, your own difficulties while uploading products on the Zazzle, making money with that. I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. And make sure to grab the Zazzle workbook, the step-by-step guide in getting started with the Zazzle and becoming a Zazzle pro seller. It's entirely based on my experience and knowledge so far. Following this 4th step to getting clarified how to get started with the Zazzle shop, opening up a shop, uploading the products, selecting the collections, categories, and making the money, promotion, and all those. Grab the link of the Zazzle workbook. The link is in the description box below. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye, guys.